Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am very excited because I'm gonna be trying out and reviewing FS Cosmetics' newest product release, yung liquid foundation nila. And the reason why I'm so excited is because napaka-inclusive ng shade range nila. This video is gonna contain two parts. So part 1 is application ng foundation and my first impressions on it. And I'll also be sharing with you my thoughts regarding their sponges because I'll be trying their sponges too kung paano nagko-complement yung sponges nila sa liquid foundation nila. For the second part naman will be my review, and in that section, i-discuss ko yung product information and further discuss the performance of the product on my face. Without any further ado, let's proceed to the first part of the video. I am barefaced, meaning ready na talaga ako sumabak at mag-try out ng foundation nila. So as you can see, I have acne marks here, meron din dito. Kaya nag-gravitate towards medium to high coverage foundations talaga ako so that I can cover my blemishes. I think for my base foundation, yung gagamitin ko is yung golden or yung wheat. I'm not sure kung alin dito yung perfect na shades for me, so I'm gonna try out both of them. And of course, to brighten up and to contour my face, I'm gonna be using the shade Linen to brighten up my face, and then yung shade naman na Cacao to contour my face. To apply their liquid foundation, gagamitin ko yung Beauty Puff ng FS Cosmetics. Yung shade na wheat is a little bit too deep for me. I feel like I need to mix it pa with Linen. Sa bottle, it looks yellow or may yellow tone siya. Pero upon application, mas more siya on the orange hints and orange tones. It's still workable pag i-mix mo with the shade Linen. So yung ginagawa ko guys, yung shade na wheat, ina-apply ko lang at the back of my hand and then also mixing it with the shade Linen. So akala ko kanina yung i-mix ko is yung golden tsaka wheat. Kasi kapag i-mix ko pa yung wheat sa golden, mas mag-o-orange siya lalo. By the way, can I just say na yung Beauty Puff nila ay perfect dupe talaga siya sa Beauty Blender na sponge kasi it feels the same talaga guys. Yung sponge ng FS Cosmetics parang yung sa Beauty Blender din na kapag binasa mo siya, nag-e-expand siya. Hindi kagaya ng ibang sponges na kapag binasa mo, ganun pa rin yung size and matigas pa rin yung sponge. And you're gonna get this at a much affordable price. At hindi lang yan, it comes with a case pa na parang ganito. Actually, madami pa akong sponges from FS Cosmetics that I wanna try. So, meron ako ng sea sponge nila. I also have their blending puff. It's so soft. Usually, yung mga sponges na ganito na nakikita ko in the market, matitigas sila. Pero eto, napaka-soft. Ito yung chiseled puff nila. Gagamitin ko to mamaya to apply my powder. And I'm also gonna be trying out their teardrop sponge. And napaka-perfect na to when doing nose contour. And lastly, I also have their 2-in-1 sponge. So, eto ay silicone sponge and at the same time, ano din siya, latex-free sponge. If you want to see the rest of the process on how I do my base makeup, then keep on watching. So this is my look for today. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung lapat ng foundation on my skin, and I'll be discussing more about its performance sa review section ng video na to. But before that, if you want to be a part of the Boo Fam community, we have a Facebook group and a Discord server. The links to those groups will be in the description box below. Also, if you're interested to get the liquid foundation and the sponges, I will be linking them down in the description box below. A little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. And that commission will really help sustain and grow this channel. So if you like the videos that I produce and you want to support this channel, then that is one way to help grow this channel. Now let's discuss yung product information ng liquid foundation ng FS Cosmetics. Yung goal talaga ng FS Cosmetics for their foundation is inclusivity. And I believe that they were able to do that. As in, guys, nung na-receive ko yung package, napasmile talaga ako. And yung smile na naisip ko yung mga deep morena friends ko, like sila ni Mama Air, or sila ni Angel, or also napasmile din ako kasi as a freelance makeup artist myself, I'm happy for my fellow makeup artist friends din kasi they have direct access na to a very inclusive foundation shade range from a local brand, and also that's very affordable and yung performance maganda rin. And I've always said this regarding FS Cosmetics, it's something that you can present to your clients that even though it's affordable, it's very presentable to the client. I'm really happy na yung Philippine cosmetics market natin ay slowly but surely nagiging inclusive na sa base makeup na realm. Because usually, more tayo nagpo-focus on the lipsticks and the pangkilays. Pero now naman, yung foundation na it's high time, and I'm again very happy for my deep morena friends. The shades that are available ay 7 shades yung mapagpipilian nyo. Yung shades na in-offer nila ay buff, linen, wheat, golden, chai, suntan, and cacao. Yung lightest shade nila ay buff, and the deepest shade ay cacao. And I can feel my deep morena friends out there who are watching this video are smiling to the gods kasi sobrang inclusive ng shade range na to. Kanina actually, during the application process, medyo nahirapan ako magpili ng shades kasi usually I land on the shades golden or wheat. Parang mga ganun yung shade ko. Pero medyo orange siya for me. Yung complexion ko kasi, guys, has a yellowish tone to it. So, hindi talaga magsusuit yung mga orange tone na foundation on me. So, I had to apply the shade linen. Now, for their other product features, meron silang SPF 30 PA+++ for their foundation, diba? Bongga. At meron pang vitamin E. And yung coverage niya ay full coverage siya. So, for people like me who are battling with acne marks, sobrang good news to sa atin. Sa finish ng foundation, it has a powder finish. So, sobrang mabibet to ng people with oily skin. Okay pa rin siya for people with dry skin. I have dry skin. And this foundation, even though it's matte, it doesn't feel like a drag upon application on the face. Hindi talaga. And sabi dito, lightweight yung feel niya. And for a full coverage foundation, I would have to agree. Napaka-lightweight niya nga. And then it's paraben-free, animal cruelty-free din siya. And it's also vegan kasi wala silang animal oil na ginamit for their ingredients. Another reason why natutuwa ako sa shade range na ina-offer ng FS Cosmetics is pwede dito makapag-base foundation, makapag-highlight ng face, and also contour at the same time. So, for the base foundation, minix ko lang yung shade na wheat tsaka linen. And then, for my highlight, ginamit ko yung shade na linen. And for the contour, of course, yung ginamit ko is yung shade na cacao. And it was really able to sculpt my face how I wanted it to sculpt my face. Kasi usually, sa mga foundation shades na ina-offer in the Philippine market, yung pinaka-dark nila na foundation shade or maybe even concealer, parang chai or suntan. So, kapag in-apply siya on my skin, hindi talaga siya nakakapag-sculpt talaga ng bongga as you saw earlier in my application. And also, can I just say na napaka-sleek and classic ng packaging nila. The frosted bottle and the semi-matte cap makes it all sleek. So I really like it. Again, very presentable packaging. For the sponges, I really like them also. Pero yung pinaka-favorite ko, I would say, is yung Beauty Puff. Again, it reminds me so much of the Beauty Blender, pero at a much affordable price. And may casing pang kasama. So if you're looking for a good foundation na makapag-cover ng blemishes, hindi na kailangan ng added concealer kasi full coverage na siya, and also inclusive yung shade range na maka-cater yung skin complexion mo, then this foundation is for you. Again, it's very affordable. 399 pesos lang siya. Wait nga pala guys, yung lippy ko is from FS Cosmetics din. This is part of their Filipiniana collection. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Mayumi. So if you're interested to get this, I will be linking it down in the description box below. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Again, if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.